Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. It's 12 o'clock. Today's tip is a squirt bottle. So I went to get a squirt bottle and realized I didn't have one in the shop. I took a regular bottle of water that I found in the shop and just take a pick or a screwdriver and poke a little hole in it. Poke a little hole right there in the cap. And what you get is a squirt bottle. Simple as that. So now I can go up under here and squirt off the wells. Let's go do that real quick. So we're up under the trailer, and as you can see, I'm hanging some water tanks. Now I can take my new squirt bottle and just squeeze. Well, that's it, guys. That's your little squirt bottle. And if you're wondering about the trailer, be sure to stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. And there'll be a whole build series on the trailer coming up. So, well, this is 12 o'clock, guys. And remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.